Meaning of hilarity.
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 Hilarity. Hilarity refers to a state of great merriment or amusement, often resulting from something that is humorous or entertaining. It is characterized by bouts of laughter, joy, and lightheartedness that can be shared among individuals in a social setting or experienced alone through the consumption of media that elicits such emotions. Hilarity can have a positive impact on mental and physical well-being by reducing stress, boosting mood, and increasing social bonding. In essence, hilarity is a term used to describe a delightful, uplifting, and pleasurable state of being that is associated with laughter and mirth.